Welcome back, everyone. Thank you for being here. Financier Pro YouTube channel. Please subscribe, comment below. Today, I want to talk about a company called SeedFi. What is SeedFi? SeedFi is a tool, is an application for credit and building savings. It's 100 million Americans living paycheck to paycheck. It gives them a way to grow their money while saving and building credit. So let's jump into it. Lower costs. SeedFi plans are generally less expensive than comparative alternatives. So this is from Eric Burton. He's the SeedFi co-founder. SeedFi was born out of my personal experiences growing up in a low-income family, seeing my parents fight to keep the lights on and food on the table. So we've all grown through that, where we struggling and we just surviving day to day. And guess what? In America, credit is top notch. Credit is worth everything in America. You need credit, you need money. So get you both of them and see if I can help you. I want to go into the facts when it comes to SeedFi. Why should I get a borrow and grow plan? A borrow and grow plan will give you the money you need now, help you build credit, leave you with savings, and act as a gateway to our excellent financial opportunities. It's all about building credit. How can I get a loan offer? Who can get a SeedFi? And all of this I'm going to put in the description below, guys. Just check that out. You can read over this stuff. I'm not going to bore you to death, but I do want to go over this stuff with you to introduce you to this company called SeedFi. Anyone over 18 in the majority of the states have a social security number, bank account, United States, phone number, make at least $10,000 in annual take-home net income, and you're not a robot. So they're checking for that as well. What's the catch on the low rates? When you sign up for a borrow and grow plan, you are saying yes to a better financial future by building savings, and we believe you will deserve the lower rate. So it sounds something like Self, but it's different. It's a different company. They give you a small loan to help you build and save money. Let's see. Why can't I access all of my money right away? When you sign up for Borrow and Grow Plan, you are signing up for a loan that is partly locked in a savings account. We do this to give you a lower rate, help you build savings, and help protect us against a customer who does not fully repay their loan. Pay your loan off, help build your credit, and save some money at the same time. How much money can I access today? Everyone wants to know that. With a borrow and grow plan, you currently have access to between $300 and $4,000. All plans come with an additional savings portion, which you can access once your loan has been repaid in full. Let's see, what is the difference between a borrow and grow plan and a borrow loan? There's no difference between the plans. Is your information safe? Yes. We use modern encryption techniques. Are there any hidden fees? No, they don't have any hidden fees, to be honest with you. I don't want to read all this to you. The credit builder plan, we charge the equivalent of $1 per month, which gets distributed across all your payments per payment. This comes out as 46 cents, 50 cents, and $1 for customers on bi-weekly. It depends on how you get paid. Once a month, twice a month, whatever. So there are no hidden fees. Can I make deposits in my SeedFi savings account? Yes, but not immediately after taking out your loan. It takes a while. How do I close my account? You can just email them. You go on there. Like I said, I'm going to put this link in the description below for SeedFi. Let's see. Can I cancel at any time? Let's see. You can always reapply for SeedFi. You can cancel. if you want to do that. Is SeedFi Savings FDIC insured? Yes, your account held at our bank partners up to $250,000, which is the standard, insured, so you won't lose any money. Let's see. Can I pay it off early? Yes, you can pay it off early. Is my credit score guaranteed to grow up? Now, I know everybody wants to know this question. Credit bureaus calculate credit scores by using formulas. SeedFi cannot promise taking out a borrow and grow plan that will increase your. Now, when you want to build credit, you want to have a mixture of things on your credit report, not just SeedFi, borrow and grow plan. You want a mixture of revolving credit and credit just like this that'll hit your credit score. You, like I said, you want up to 5 accounts, 10 accounts. Wherever your credit score is, you want all positive accounts hitting your credit score, and SeedFi can help you with that. They got everything on here. How do I connect my bank account? What if I don't pay back? You may hurt your credit score and lose some of SeedFi money, the savings account, if you don't pay the money back. So just know that, guys. And I also want to look at the articles on this company. So TechCrunch had something. SeedFi closes on 65 million to help financially struggling Americans get ahead. That's awesome. Millions of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. How many people out there that knew this? There are millions of people in America that live paycheck to paycheck. If a lot of them get laid off or fired or quit their job, they have one paycheck to survive. The startup SeedFi announced Wednesday it has raised 50 million in debt and 15 million in equity funding, rounded by Andreessen Horowitz, also known as 16Z. Okay. Let's see. SeedFi was founded on the premise that it is difficult for many Americans to get ahead financially, which is true. Let's see. Now it's launching to the public with 2 offerings. One is a credit building product that is designed to create important long-term saving habits. Let's see. After 6 months of on-time payments, SeedFi customers with no credit history were able to establish a credit score of 600, while customers with existing credit scores and less than 3 credit accounts boosted their scores by 45 points, according to the company. Now, this is coming from TechCrunch, guys. So you can boost your credit score with this company. Like with any loan company, you pay on time, you save a little money, and you boost your credit. That's what it's all about. For instance, a typical SeedFi plan might be structured as $500 right now and $500 reserved in a savings account. The borrower pays off $1,000 over time, and at the end of the plan, he or she has $500 in savings. Not only has the borrower paid a lower interest rate, he or she is in a better financial position after making the decision to borrow money. Think about that, okay? Just like Credit Strong, I'm paying that $15 every month. It's helping me build credit. And after so long, I pay that loan off. I have $500 in the savings, and my credit score just shot up. Imagine if you have 2 or 3 of those. This is what I call a primary trade line. This is a perfect example of a primary trade line that you are working with a company. Not only are they making a little money, but you are making money as well and building your credit. It's a win-win. You can't beat that. So I'm going to put the description, the link to the website for SeedFi in the video description below, guys. Let me know, are you already working with this company? If this is your first time, I believe this is a great opportunity to diversify your credit. Okay, that's what we're all about here in Financier Pro. See you guys next time. Peace and love.